We're inside OpenCell, and OpenCell is there to create an affordable space for startups and designers that work in biotechnology. The place that we're in is kind of like a temporary space, so it won't stay like this forever, but for 2.5 years there's kind of like this in-between spaces that we are making advantage of as OpenCell. And this one was an old laundry, now it is an in-between space, and then in 2.5 years it will go to something else. Our first residents moved in June and July, and in the beginning we had 20 containers, and then we have the opportunity to exchange to 45. So we thought, like, why not actually making advantage of the London Design Festival? So we thought, like, let's just reach out to everyone that we appreciate, and let's see if they want to join us for the festival. And yeah, that's it. And then everything just happened, to be honest. So we have like 7 residents now in OpenCell. One company is Olumbria, and they are using flies for pollination rather than bees. So they use pheromones to send them from A to B. Then we have Alice Potts, who comes from fashion. So she makes, like, I think total she has 40 bioplastics that she created, and looking in how it can apply to fashion, and also collects people's sweat and grows them into crystals. Chipsport, they are using all the potato waste, and we eat a lot of fries, so there's a lot of potato waste, and turn it into an alternative to chipboard and MDF. And then us, we are cell-free, and we built a platform how you can test out proteins, so you can look into if your DNA sequence would express a protein in an organism. So we have 2.5 years, and we do see it as a test bed. I think the shipping containers are for us interesting because it can be reproduced, and it can be optimized as well when it moves somewhere else. And for us it's also a really nice test bed to figure out, like, how does it really function if you go in a direction of like biotechnology and consumer products. I think there's not too much what happened yet. So it's really nice to first test it out small, make all the mistakes, and then look into how we can further develop afterwards.